racing season, there's normally two categories where you can compete, namely the yearling series. That is for all birds either 12 months or younger. And then there's the open series for the 2-year-olds and older. So development in a racing pigeon does take some time. Normally when we race youngsters, when we get to the first race, very few or very little of these babies are 12 months or older. So it can happen that some of the pigeons competing is 3 or 4 months old. And that does make a difference in terms of development. When a pigeon is that young and you do race it hard, it can take it, but it can cause some long-term damage. And you will find that if you push too hard, maybe in a later stage of the pigeon's career, it doesn't want to fly anymore because it's burned out. So I want to show this beautiful grizzle hen of mine as an example. So this hen was a star racer. I raced her last year, but when I put her to the race loft, she was a late bred. She only dropped 1 or 2 of her flights, and but she did well. She never made a mistake, and she did very well. But now, say nearly a year later, she has developed in the most beautiful pigeon you can imagine. Just look at this balance and aerodynamics. It's just fantastic. And the brilliant muscles. She's such a beautiful bird. Now, as yearling, she was also a nice handler, but now she's developed in full, and now she's an outstanding handler. And so I did put her to stop, but if she was still in the race loft, she would have done very well this year as a 2-year-old. And I always believe if you handle a racing pigeon correct, it should be at its prime in year 3 of racing. But the development is so important. So you need some great patience and the right type of work and the right amount of races to develop a champion racer. And in the latter stages of their career, they will bring you great joy, and they will also reproduce some champions. So have patience and develop a great pigeon slowly. Have a good day.